Republican-led states have asked the Supreme Court to intervene and not allow Title 42 to expire on Wednesday, as a different court has said. Is there any reaction to that? And is the administration in some way hoping that the court will intervene and extend Title 42 to help you all out of this situation that is brewing at the border?
So look, I'm not going to get into any legal determinations or speculations, but we need Congress to give us the funds we've requested to do this in a safe, orderly, and humane way. And here's the thing, if Republican Congress are serious about protecting the border, if they are serious about securing the border, if they are serious about the challenges that we're currently seeing, that they should be able to get involved here. And
there's estimates of 50,000 migrants in Mexico waiting to cross if Title 42 ends. Is that accurate, and would that overwhelm the Border Patrol?
So look, I don't have a number for you at this time. We'll continue to fully enforce our immigration laws in a fair, orderly, and humane manner. But again, we need Congress to deliver on the funding that we're requesting from them.
The mayor of El Paso said over the weekend that the influx of migrants on Wednesday will be incredible. He said it will be huge, and that they're not prepared to deal with it with the current resources that they have. So, you have the chart up here, but, can you walk us through what the plan is to help that city?
Absolutely. So let me just give you what the DHS is doing. We need Congress to provide us the additional resources we've requested to do this in a safe, orderly, and humane way. If they are serious, Republicans in Congress are serious about securing the border, then they should assist in making sure the men and women at the DHS have what they need to get the.
You mentioned surging resources. I had asked you in September specifically about El Paso, and you had said at the time that DHS, the administration, was surging resources to the region, working to quickly decompress the area. Has that surge of resources been maintained for the last several months? Is that sustainable? Now if you're talking about another surge of resources, is that on top of what had already been done in September? And how long can you keep doing a surge like that?
So a couple of things. I mean, that's one of the reasons we're asking for additional funding, that $3.5 billion. And look, that scale up air and ground transportation capabilities to move migrants from processing to less crowded Border Patrol sectors, as set up additional CBP funding, holding facilities, and speed up the processing time so individuals can have their asylum claims heard faster. This is why we're asking Congress for this additional funding. Again, if Republicans in Congress are serious, if they want to help.
Karine, with regards to Manchin, just to put a fine point on it, because he did go on to say that I think the administration is doing that or will do that with regards to an extension. There are no plans to ask for any sort of an extension. Is that what you're saying?
What I can tell you is we are required by court order to lift Title 42. That's December 21st, and we're going to comply with that order. Any other additional questions about any legal actions, I would refer you to Department of Justice.
And you've said that the border is not open. You said that a couple times. Will the president deliver that message in person next month in Mexico at the North American Leaders Summit?
Again, I don't even have a trip to announce at this time today. All I can tell you is that we are in plans and conversations, so don't even have.
You mentioned that the president has been in touch with the mayor of El Paso, but has he talked to
I said we've been in touch with the mayor.
Have you been in touch with any of the border state governors?
I don't have any calls or readouts to provide on any particular conversations, but because we have an intergovernmental affairs shop, and clearly they tend to be in close touch with mayors and governors across the country. Just don't have anything to provide for you.